Gently on Hamza's shoulder. Hamza trembles, avoiding eye contact. Hamza, why can't you focus on your lesson, my child?
This visual transition symbolizes the exciting and engaging content offered. The introduction sets the stage for an exploratory learning experience. Brightkid Mania uses interactive alphabet blocks and numbers to teach foundational skills. The engaging presentation of ABCs and 123s makes learning fun for children. Children interact with the animated elements, reinforcing their understanding of letters and numbers. Short video clips demonstrate children helping each other, illustrating the value of kindness. Animated moral stories of lion, mouse, elephant, etc. teach valuable lessons. These narratives emphasize the importance of friendship and mutual support. Moral stories are effective tools for instilling values such as kindness, honesty, and friendship. Animated animals sing catchy songs in a vibrant forest setting. The scene emphasizes the musical and rhythmic elements of the program. The program is designed to encourage audience participation through dancing and singing. Safety education programs teach children how to safely cross roads. These programs also instruct children on proper earthquake safety procedures. The integration of safety education within children's programming is crucial for promoting awareness and preparedness. Children engage in crafting paper boats, showcasing the program's DIY content. Informative animal facts appear on screen, enriching the viewing experience with educational content. The program integrates diverse content, blending hands-on crafts with intriguing factual information. The program is designed to be screen time worthy, offering both entertainment and educational value. The program's content is carefully crafted to ensure a safe and enriching experience for children. The program aims to provide parents with confidence in the value and safety of their child's screen time. A vibrant rainbow serves as a welcoming stage, inviting viewers to engage with the content. Subscribing to Brightkid Mania ensures viewers become part of the community and receive weekly video updates. The Brightkid Mania is not for kid age 12. It's for every kid of their parents. The slogan, "Fun that grows with you," reinforces the program's educational commitment. The program provides fun and educational content that supports children's growth. It is channeled for everyone everywhere. Different countries are highlighted, emphasizing cultural diversity, but we have a similar childhood. Simple and safe science experiments are demonstrated to engage children in hands-on learning. Some experiment involves creating a miniature volcano to illustrate basic chemical reactions. Some experiment demonstrates the formation of a rainbow in a jar, illustrating density and layering principles. These experiments showcase a hands-on learning approach to science education. A healthy discussion is as important as food is for health, exercise, and brain gains. to Health. The segment aims to promote healthy lifestyle choices in an engaging and kid-friendly manner. Animated scenarios present simple problem-solving situations. These scenarios encourage critical thinking and solution finding in children. Engaging in problem solving enhances cognitive development. These activities improve decision-making skills in young learners. Creative drawing and coloring activities encourage artistic expression and imagination in children. Engaging with various art supplies fosters the development of fine motor skills. Artistic activities stimulate creativity and provide an outlet for self-expression. Drawing and coloring can improve hand-eye coordination and concentration. Gratitude and thankfulness are expressed through animated characters appreciating everyday things. Expressing gratitude promotes positive emotions and psychological well-being. Cultivating thankfulness teaches the importance of appreciation for people and experiences. Animated visuals demonstrate how simple acts of gratitude can enhance overall life satisfaction.